Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV using YouTube app. In the beginning, make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi, and on your smartphone enter YouTube. Now, press the screencast button located on the top of your phone and select your TV. Now when devices are connected, you can play any music or video on the smartphone and it will be displayed on the TV. If you want to stop the connection, again press this button and select disconnect. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.